Hi viewers, today we're looking at the cosine Excel VBA function in Excel 2013. First of all, I'm going to record a macro to write my code in by clicking on record macro in the macro section of the view tab. I'll name um, my macro cosine underscore fx and then click on OK. I'm going to stop my macro from running and I'm going to view my macro and edit it. I'm going to get rid of the comments and paste in my code I wrote earlier and get rid of the duplicate sub and end sub bits in there. And before every line of code I write, I only use the on error resume next function as a type of error handling. You can see underneath here, you can see active cell dot formula R1C1 equals, which is saying in the activated or selected cell, enter the following formula. You can see cos there, which is a cosine formula. Range says A1, so it's saying surmise the cosine from the value in cell A1. So if I do file and close there and run this macro next to the value of 2.233 in cell A1, I'll run that there, and you can see it's giving me a cosine for the value of 2.233 or minus 0.61. So that's basically the cosine function in Excel VBA 2013.